This is fourth example from miscellaneous exercise, Ncert probability. So they are saying 90% of people are right-handed. Okay, so let me make a table. So there are people. So how many are right-handed? 90%, correct? And how many will be left-handed? That means 10 by 100, correct? So if we write, it is 9 by 10, and this is 1 by 10% people, 1 by 10 people, correct? Then they are saying, what is the probability that at most 6 of the random sample of 10 people are right-handed? Means suppose you have taken 10 people, you selected 10 people, and out of that at most 6 are right-handed. At most 6 right-handed means not more than 6, means less than 6 people are right-handed, but there are not more than 6 people right-handed. So how many cases are possible? So there is possibility that 0% is right-handed, correct, and 10 are left-handed. It is possible. Or 1 is right-handed and 9 are left-handed, correct? Or 2 are right-handed and 8 are left-handed. These are possibilities because you want at most 6 are right-handed, correct? So let me write it again clearly. So I have made a table. 10 people are selected. Maybe 0 are right-handed, 10 are left-handed. Maybe 1 is right-handed, 9 left-handed, 2 right-handed, 8 left-handed, 3 right-handed, 7 left-handed. Similarly here this, maybe 5 right-handed and 5 left, or maybe 6 right-handed and 4 left-handed. More than 7 are not, more than 6 are not possible. So these are possibilities, either this or this or this or and or. So or may we are supposed to add. So they are saying that there is not a single right-handed person and all are left-handed. So if we choose 0% out of 10, so how many ways? 10 see 0, है ना? Because first we will, what will happen here? First select people, first select and then see. First we will do the selection, है ना? For that we use combinations. For selection, what do we use is combination, and then we see the probability. So 10 out of 10, 0% is selected for right hand. And what is the probability that he is right hand? Nothing. Only 10 people are left hand. So left hand की probability क्या है? 1 by 10. And all are left hand. So power 10. Or one is right handed. So that one person may be 10c1 ways to choose that one person who is right handed. So there are 10c1 ways, and that one is right handed is 9 by 10 possibilities probability, and 9 are left handed. So 1 by 10 power 9, because 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 9 times, because there are second is left handed and third and fourth and fifth, like that total 9 left handed are there. So that's why power. Or means 10c2, 2 right handed people are selected out of 10, 2 right hand are there, so that is 10c2, and right hand probability is this, and left hand is 1 by 10 power 8. Okay, or this is actually known as the Bernoulli's theorem type of questions. They were deleted, but since there is one question I am solving. Third case, this one, the next case is 3 are right handed. So how many ways 3 can be selected? 10 out of 3 is 10c3. 10 people selected 10c3. And probability of having 3 right handed and 7 left handed is this. Or 4 right handed 10c4, 9 by 10 power 4 and 1 by 10 power 6, correct? These many people are left handed. Or 10c5, 9 by 10 power 5 and 1 by 6 power 5. Or means plus 10c6, 6 people you selected. 9 by 10 is for right handed people, which are 6 right handed, and 1 is 6 right handed and 4 are left handed. So power 4. This is for left hand and this is for right hand. Correct? Here. For right hand people, what is the probability? 9 by 10. For left hand people, probability is 1 by 10. So that is what I am using here. Okay. So this is the final answer. If you want, you can simplify. Otherwise, this is a complete answer because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cases which we have taken into consideration. Okay. One more example question we will see, question number 5. This is a easy question. Leap year is selected at random. तो यूजुअली जो नॉर्मल ईयर्स होते हैं, इन नॉर्मल ईयर वी हैव 365 days. Okay, but in leap year how many days we have? In leap year we have 366 days. This is the difference between leap year and normal year. Okay, so if we consider 52 weeks, so how many days will be there? 52 into 7 will be 4s are I think 364 days. Correct? If there are 52 weeks, so 364 days are covered. In leap year, what is happening? In leap year, if I write 364 days plus 2 days are extra, correct? 364 days is actually 52 weeks. Complete weeks are there and 2 days are extra. Yes. So in 52 weeks, there will be sure how many 52 Tuesdays will be there for sure. For the 53rd, see they are saying there are 53 Tuesdays. For one more Tuesday, maybe out of these 2 days, right? 52 are already there. These 2 days, how many combinations are possible? Because days come in sequence. We know that days come in sequence. They cannot come randomly, correct? So those 2 days may be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, maybe Thursday, Friday, maybe Friday and Saturday, or maybe Saturday and Sunday. These are possibilities because those leftover 2 days, these 2 days will always come in pair. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So total possibilities kitni hai for having 2 days? So total possibilities are 7. Out of that, which one is favorable? We want that out of those 2 days, one should be Tuesday, so that total 53 Tuesdays are there. Correct, because 52 Tuesdays are there in 52 weeks. But for the next one more Tuesday, the favorable will be this and this. These two are favorable. Yes or no? So only favorable pair will be Monday, Tuesday and Tuesday, Wednesday to have a 53rd Tuesday. So 2 are favorable. Correct. So what will be the probability that there are 53 Tuesdays? 2 out of 7. Because 7 combinations are possible and out of that 2 are favorable to have one more Tuesday. So this is the probability. Okay. So let's do one more question. So this is the question. There are 4 boxes A, B, C, D. In first box, red ball, number of balls are given, red 1, white 6, black 3 and so on, right? Box B may red are 6, white are 2 and black are 2 and so on. So they are saying first one of the box is selected and then a single marble is drawn. If the marble is red, what is the probability that it was taken from box A or box next is box B and next is box C? So first of all, let me write down how many are total marbles in each box, right? How many are total? So I think in this box there are 10. 6 plus 2 plus 2 is 10. 10 and 10. So there are 10 in each box. So they are saying marble taken out is red. Okay. So let's make a flow chart out of this table. Okay. So let me write down boxes. So there are 4 boxes, correct? 3 and 4 boxes. Box A, B, C or D. So to select a box, probability is equal 1 by 4, 1 by 4. है ना? Out of box A, there may be coming either red or not red, correct? So there are two possibilities, red marble or not red marble. The probability of one red marble is 1 out of 10, because only one is there. From box B, what is the probability to come red marble? Is 6 out of 10. Okay. From box C, the probability of coming red is 8 by 10. You can see there are 8 balls, red balls. And from box D, if you want red, is 0 out of 10. Correct? What are the other probabilities? We are not interested because they are not even asking. So if you want, you can write down, but there is no need here for other balls. So this is the chart that we got. So we have to find first case. Let me write down what is the first case we have to find. Find the probability that ball is red. What is the probability that it was drawn from box A? So here, probability from box A, condition given it is red. Okay, it is giving red. So for red marble, there are 4 possibilities. Either this, or this, or this, or this, because it is base. And which one is favorable coming from box A? This one is favorable, right? Because this is coming from box A and it is red. Okay. So total, how do we write? We write favorable by total. So what are the total possibilities? First box is selected and it is red, or second is selected, it is red, or third is selected, the selection of third box is also 1 by 4 and it is red, or fourth is selected and it is red. Out of that, the first one is favorable, 1 by 4 into 1 by 10, correct? So let's solve it. 4 10 4 10 4 10 4 into 10 is cancelling, because in denominator this is all same. So we will get 1 by 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 0, correct? This is 0. This is 1 into 8 is 8. 1 into 6 is 6 and 1 into 1 is this. So how much is 8 plus 6 is, this is 1 by 15, correct? 1 plus 6 plus 8 is 15. So this is the answer. Probability that it was taken from box A. Understood? Similarly, we will find the probability for box B. Okay, note it down and we will do for box B. So for box B, the favorable one will be this one. This one is favorable. Correct? So we have to find probability. So I am writing probability that it is taken from box B given it is red. So again we will use same formula, favorable by total. So total cases that it is red is exactly same, 1 by 4, 1 by 10, 1 by 4, 6 by 10, exactly same, correct? 1 by 4, 0 by 10. But in this case, the box B1 is favorable, this one is favorable. So it is 1 by 4 and 6 by 10, correct? So how much we will get? 4 10 4 10 cancel, है ना? So we will end up having 6 by 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 0, which is 6 by 50. Okay. Similarly, we can do the third case. Third case, probability that box C is selected given that red marble. So for red marble, total cases will be exactly same, plus from second box, plus from third box, plus fourth box. Out of this one is favorable. For box C, this one is favorable. Understood? For third part, this one is favorable. So it will be 1 by 4, 8 by 10. तो 4 8 4 10 4 10 cancel. So it will be 8 by again 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 0, which is 8 by 50. This is the final answer. So these are the three answers are done for the same question. You please read it again and try to solve it. We will solve next question next video. Bye everyone.